Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The North Goa Additional Sessions Court has dismissed the bail applications filed by the accused Sagikul alias Safikul, resident of Bengaluru, and another accused Raju B, who is resident of Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, who were arrested by Mapusa Police for their alleged role in the robbery case committed in the house of Dr. Ghanekar at Mapusa last month. While opposing the bail application of both the accused, public prosecutor on behalf of Mapusa Police contended that these accused are not cooperating with the investigation and other identified and some unidentified accused are still absconding and their arrests are yet to be done in this case. The court, while dismissing their bail applications, has observed that this is a serious case of dacoity and robbery where the accused, rather key accused, are still absconding. The whereabouts and real residence of these arrested accused are yet to be certified, as they are claiming to be resident of Bengaluru, Karnataka and Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, but according to Mapusa Police, they are actually natives of Bangladesh and they are staying in India illegally. So court has observed that it would not be appropriate to release them on the bail at this point of time, as the investigation is still going on. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.